Today we're going to change the sway bar end links of this vehicle. Safety first. You need to put the gear on park and engage the handbrake all the way in. Loosen the lug nuts first before you lift the vehicle. Use a 90mm socket for the lug nut and a socket extension for leverage. I always use a rubber adapter to prevent damaging the underrails of the vehicle. Use an axle stance for safety. And always leave the hydraulic jack for added protection. Remove the wheel and there we can see the sway bar end link. If you can twist the end link this easily without any effort, then this is broken. Actually, it is in its worst condition. This have already been giving you some clunking noise whenever you're on an uneven road or speed bumps. Grab a 40mm socket or wrench. Loosening the knot could give you some challenges. If the stud keeps spinning, you may use an Allen wrench to lock the stud as you loosen the knot, or you can use a vice grip to lock it. Sway bar end links from other vehicles has different designs, so just use your creativity to make things work efficiently. Here you can see how loose the joint is, which is quite terrible. Replacement in turbo usually takes around 30 to 40,000 kilometers. This is the replacement part. KYB are good products to begin with. They're durable and handles well like the OEM ones. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the new sway bar end links. The joints of the old end links are very loose. The new ones are very tight. Before installing the new ones, it is always a good idea to clean the mountings or area where the new part fits into. Put in the new sway bar end link. Put on those nuts and tighten it snug. Now we have a solid sway bar end links. No more loose joints, no more clunking noise. And as always, do the same thing on the other side. They work in pairs. And there we have successfully changed the sway bar end links of this vehicle. I hope you find this video helpful. Consider subscribing now for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.